You know when you post a carousel on Instagram, you write one caption and it's the same for every image? Well, Instagram just changed that. You can now write a completely different caption for every slide in your image carousel, and it updates automatically as people swipe through. Today, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Hi, I'm Marta, digital marketing consultant and creator of Accountabilibuddies, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. This feature is called multiple captions on carousel posts. If you don't see it yet, it's being rolled out globally, so it may take a few more days to appear in your app. Just make sure your Instagram app is fully updated in the meantime. Here's how it works. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create your new post. Select your photos or videos the same way you always would. You need at least 2 to create a carousel. Pick your slides and tap next. Go through your editing options as usual, then tap next again to get to the final screen. When you tap the caption field, you'll see an option that says single caption or multiple captions. Single caption is the default, but you can tap the drop-down and switch to multiple captions. Once you enable it, you can swipe through each slide and write a unique caption for each one. You do not have to add a caption to every single slide if you don't want to. You can leave some blank and just add captions to the slides where it makes sense. When you're done, go through the rest of the settings and hit share as you normally would. Once your post is live, the caption beneath the image will automatically update to match whatever slide your follower is on as they swipe through. A couple of things to keep in mind. Your first slide's caption is still the one that shows up in previews, so treat that like your main caption. Second, if someone shares your carousel to stories or sends it in a DM, only the first slide's caption will carry over. Individual captions appear only when someone is actively swiping through the carousel post on your profile or in their feed. And lastly, carousels support up to 20 images or videos, so you can add up to 20 individual captions on a single post. This can be a really great tool because it can give a carousel a storytelling type feel. Thanks for watching. If staying on top of things like this feels overwhelming, that's exactly why I created Accountabilibuddies. It's a community for small business owners where we cover social media tips and platform updates and meet weekly for accountability calls so you have support in posting for your business. Your first month is completely free, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. I'll link it in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you next week.